Spice Math. That's right. You add it up, multiply it, man. Spice Math. Okay. A couple things we're gonna learn today. Spice Math. All right. Take some time, educate yourself. Spice Math. That's right. You won't believe it's just math. Come on.
Hi, I'm Ruth Doughton.
Hi, I'm Erin Williams.
Hi, I'm Brandon Alexander.
Hi, I'm Kelvin Doughton.
Hello, I'm Lyndon Sincere.
We are your Spice Math tutors.
You won't believe it's just math. Just math.
Hi once again, boys and girls. Welcome to another episode of Spice Math. In this episode, we'll be focusing on addition. Addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping using touch math. This episode is recommended for students in primary school who are having difficulty adding without using manipulatives. So we're looking at grade 2, grade 3, and maybe even grade 4. Enjoy this episode of Spice Math with me. So, if you look at what we'll be covering today, we'll be looking at addition with counting on, addition without regrouping, and then we're going to look at addition with regrouping. Addition with counting on. So let me demonstrate an example. Eight plus 4. Our 4 has 4 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to add 8 plus 4, I am going to touch the greatest number, 8. Say its name, so I'm going to touch it, say 8. Continue counting on the touch points of the other numbers. So I'm going to demonstrate 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you have it. 8 plus 4 equals 12. So let's do another example. So here we have it. 5 plus 3 plus 7. So this 5 has 5 touch points. Three has 3 touch points. And of course, we're going to start on the bigger number, or the greatest number, which is 7. So, touch 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we can confidently say that 5 plus 3 plus 7 equals 15. So there you have it. I've done 2 examples for you using counting on. Remember, for 7, you put a dot and you put a ring around the dot. So our greatest number is 9. So we don't put any touch points on 9. Now it's your turn. I think you got it. 9, so you can cross that 9 out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 9 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 22. Here's another one to do on your own. So we can identify our biggest number is 6. 6 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 4, 4 is greater than 2. So we don't put any touch points on our 6, but we can put 4 has 4 touch points, 5 has 5 touch points, 2 has 2 touch points, one at the head and one at the tail. So this one is for you. I'm sure that you got the right answer this time. So 6 is our biggest number. And then we start counting from 7. So let's start counting on the 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Five plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 17. So there you have it for addition with counting on. Now let's do some addition of bigger numbers without regrouping. So here we have ones. Here we have tens. I'm going to leave a little space on top. In this case, you have a number that has 2 ones and 4 tens. That number is 42. And we're adding to that number 6 ones and 3 tens. And that's 36. Our greater number here is 6, so we put a touch point on the smaller number. A bigger number in this column is 4, so we put a touch point on the smaller number, which is 3. There you have it. 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 42 plus 36 is 78. So here we have ones, tens, and we have another column that we're going to call hundreds. So in this column we have 6 and 0. 6 is bigger than 0. However, we don't have any touch points on 0. We have 7 and 2. 2 has 2 touch points, one at the head, one at the tail. We have 4 and 3 here, and 4 is bigger than 3, so we put a touch points on the tree. You see 6 plus 0 is 6. And we count 7, touch our 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a number with 6 ones, 9 tens, 7 hundreds, 796. Now we can try this one. So let's try to do them together, this one together. 5 plus 4, because 5 is greater than 4. So for a ones column, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Six is greater than 3, so we start counting on 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Seven is greater than 2. So for a hundreds column, 7, 8, 9. And 8 is greater than 1. So for a thousands column, 8, 9. So our answer is 9,999. So now let's do some addition with regrouping. So for addition with regrouping, we always regroup when our answer is greater than 9. So let's try an example. So again, we have ones. Here we have tens. We're going to leave a little space on top. And we have 7 plus 8. So 8 is bigger than 7, so we're going to put your touch points on the 7. In our tens column, we have 2 and 3. So 3 is greater than 2, so our touch point goes on the 2. So let's try this one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we put a 5 here. However, because we had 15, in 15, the 5 represents ones, and our 1 represents tens. So we can now take our 1 and put it in the tens column. So our 1 goes in the tens column. So this one wasn't here originally. Now we can start counting. 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this example, 27 plus 38 is equal to 65. Let's try another example. Can you remember now? This is our ones column, this is our tens column. So 6 is our biggest number, so we put touch points on our seven is our biggest number here, so we touch points goes on the 3 and on the 4. So let's get counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again, put a 5 here. Remember what we said earlier? 15 means you have 5 ones and 1 10. So our 1 can be placed in our tens column. Now let's count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in this case, our first 5, since we were in the tens column, our first, that 5 represents tens, and our 1 represents hundreds. So when we add 44 plus 36 plus 75, your answer should be 155. I'm sure you never thought addition could be that simple. Now this one is for you. So let's work it out. 6 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 2. Touch point goes on 2. 4 is greater than 3. Touch point goes on 3. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. Our 0 belongs to the 1 column. Our 1 goes here. We start counting. 5, 6, 7. And we have 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 426 plus 354 gives us 780. There you have it. Addition made easy with TouchMath. This was another episode of SpiceMath. See you once again and have fun with your mathematics.
You won't believe it's just math. Come on. You won't believe it's just math.